Hi everyone, welcome to the Getting Started with Magic Plan series. My name is Silvia and I will guide you step by step to learn using the app. But first of all, let me tell you, what is Magic Plan? We are the app that every contractor loves. We already have a lot of industries using our app like remodeling, restoration, inspection and claims. And we also have thousands of private users using the app to create their floor plans. So you can get your apartment or your house ready within a few minutes. And moreover, you can also get your work done on the fields and you can already prepare your measuring, sketching, your report, and also create an estimate. And your job will be done in a very quick and precise way. So, follow us in this series if you want to learn how to use Magic Plan at its best.